This is the roof for my outdoor kitchen. I got to show you something that I built about, it must be 3 years now. Yeah, when I see this, there's another trail right here. This is a nice trail, actually. So if you look at this, I got all kind of stuff here. And I got to clean, look, fishing. I got a lot of stuff and it's starting to get rotten. Yeah, there you go, start to get bad. That's fine. I'll have this probably destroyed by maybe before winter. But so this is what I built about maybe 3 years ago before I started building my cabin. But it was fun at that time. Still fun. So look what I done. Unbelievable. It was a lot of work, but joyful work. See, this is another trail over here. I go home. So, see, there's a lot of stuff need to be done here. A lot of work. There you go. So arriving this morning to try to finish today my wood cabin right here. This is going to be pretty close from the house itself. See, as you can see, the floor it is made a little bit different over here. Hopefully that will last. I'm not sure, but the air will pass pretty good. So I'm going to do like a siding, the way I did it over here, like a siding one. Probably won't have any doors. Will stay open. It depends what kind of snow is going to come in. I can always do that later on. So let's start the day. Oh, I had the right measure. Should work very good now. I have to make 6 of morning, everyone. Welcome back to the cabin. As you can see over here, building the wood shed. Finally, try to get this ready very quickly. We're pretty late in November. Well, passing in the middle of November anyway. So need to do this, and what I'll do, I'll make it like a siding going up, and you'll have a little bit of air passing through on the side. And over here, as you can see, because no need to glue it together because it's going to be wood inside here. Thanks a lot for watching my channel. I really appreciate it, and everything is going very well. So the outside kitchen is not done yet, of course, because you've seen the video. And what I'm planning to do to get this done, I'll probably receive the roof next week. Probably can put almost, well, 1, 2, 3, this pretty close from 2 cords inside here, because it is 8 feet by 4, 2 feet over there, so another 8 feet over here. So on top of it, that would be 1 cord, so it'll be probably 1.5 cord. So that's probably a lot. And if I don't have enough here, well, I got plenty at home anyway, so can always bring with the side by side later on, but won't be here full time. So 2 cords should be pretty close. I'll try to have, well, it'd be going to be pretty close of having 2 cords, but 1.5, whatever it is. So hopefully that will be good enough for the winter. I'm not sure yet because I didn't use the camp for the whole winter yet. So I'll be here every day, having the stove on and all of that. So I have some work to be done all winter long. So it's going to be very fun. I got my new shoes, and I'll do a lot more activities and cook more. And I tried to get the moose, but it's impossible. Hopefully I can get a deer this year. The deer season is pretty almost done, pretty close. So it's probably a week and maybe a week left. I'm not sure, but I don't have time. So hopefully I can get one. Maybe I have a couple of days I can go hunting, but that's fine. You never know, it might be a deer coming here, but I don't think so with all the noise I'm making. So really appreciate it. Thanks a lot for watching. So hopefully everything's going to go very well today. Thanks a lot.